Hey everyone, how's it going? Before this video gets started, if you're interested in becoming an Uber or Lyft driver and you want to get a sign-on bonus, go ahead and use the link in the description to sign up. You'll enter in your information and you can get signed up very quickly. Hey everyone, welcome back to the Rideshare Hub. My name is Dylan and thanks so much for coming by. The Rideshare Hub is a channel all about becoming a better Uber or Lyft driver and making more money. So today's video, I'm gonna be talking about when is the best time to drive for Uber and for Lyft. So this is based off of my experience. I've driven in the morning, I've driven in the afternoon, I've driven at night, I've driven in the middle of the night. So this is based off of my experience and then just talking with other drivers as well. So a lot of this is going to depend on your mood. I know for me, it changes pretty much weekly on when I feel like driving. Sometimes I wake up and I say, all right, you know what? I'm gonna drive every single day this week at 7 a.m. and I'm gonna try to make as much money as I can as possible. Other weeks, I just say, you know what? I'm gonna start driving at 8, 9 p.m. and I'm gonna drive till 3 a.m. It just really depends on my mood a lot. So, you know, let me know if that's something that also, you know, is important for you. However, I just want to talk really quick because I have been getting a few questions on this from new drivers, and then this is also just a good reminder for experienced drivers as well. First of all, I just wanted to say the best times to drive are when it's busy out. I mean, that's no lie. We're talking about weekly rush hour traffic, so that's starting from 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Weekly 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. and then weekly 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. That's when people are going to be going to work and school and whatnot, college. And then we're talking also about Friday and Saturday night, starting from 9 p.m. all the way till 2, 3 a.m. It's going to be busy. And then Saturday and Sunday during the day, all day, it's usually busy. And then I guess the worst times to drive are gonna be during the week in the middle of the day, from anywhere from, I would say, 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. Those 5 hours, it's just, people are not as busy. You know, you'll still get rides, of course. You can sign in whenever, 24 hours a day, but during those times, it's just pretty slow. And then also, you know, during the week after 6 p.m., it's not that busy. People are, you know, they're going home, they're relaxing, you know, it's the weekday, so not a lot of people are going out. So those are the times that I recommend. Once again, during the week, 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. And then 3 p.m. So what I do is I go in the morning, take a little break, then go again afterwards. And then if I want to, I'll do the weekends. And pretty much the weekends you can do whenever. However, this is a bonus tip. If you want to start driving at like 4 or 5 a.m., there's not going to be a lot of drivers out there, and most of the trips are just airport trips, which are good because they're long and, you know, you can get good, easy like $50 in the morning. So if you start like 4 or 5 a.m. to like 8, like 7 or 8, that's like good hours right there. I know for me, I struggle waking up early. For me, if I wake up at 9, that's good. Or 8, that's like, you know, really early for me. So sometimes I don't wake up until 10 or 11. That's just me though. But figure yourself out, you know, whatever you think is the best. You know, one of the perks about this job is that you can drive whenever. You know, if you like to sleep in. And then start driving at like 6 p.m. or 3 p.m., whatever you want. Whatever you want, sorry. Yeah, and then also I would just want to say, like, if you're an introvert, I would drive during the day. And then if you're an extrovert, probably drive at night. Again, it might change depending on your mood. I know it does for me. Also, just want to talk about safety. Driving during the day is always going to be safer. You know, it's daylight out, there's more people around. And if you drive at night, it's going to be a little bit more dangerous. So I recommend, you know, having a dash cam if you're driving at night especially. Although during the day, I would recommend having one as well. So, but yeah, if you drive during the day, you probably won't run into any problems. But if you do drive at night, you know, you're going to be dealing with intoxicated passengers. So, yeah, just keep those things in mind. But basically, it's, I would say, yeah, during those rush hour times and when people are going out at night. Oh yeah, and if sometimes Uber and Lyft do have weekly driver bonuses where you do have to complete a certain amount of times during those peak times, which are usually during rush hour and then late at night on the weekends. Anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment section down below, when do you drive? When are your favorite times to drive? And then when do you make the most amount of money? Again, if you're interested in signing up to be an Uber or Lyft driver and you wanna get that sign-on bonus, use the link in the description below. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a fantastic day and week and month. You know what? Have a fantastic year as well. All right, guys, I will see you all next time. Make sure to have fun and be safe out there. All right, see you all next time. Bye.